Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So finally the most awaited video is here, the unboxing of my first BTS album, which is Map of the Soul Persona version 4. I just love the way it looks. I love the pink color of it. So this is how it looks from the front. I just love the smooth texture of it. It's just so good. So up here it's written Map of the Soul Persona version 4. I actually wanted to get version 2 and 3, but I couldn't get it because it was out of stock. So I got the version 4. So this is the spine of the album. It says the same thing, Map of the Soul Persona version 4. The backside is my favorite because it has a beautiful engraved BTS logo up there. Some BTS big hit details down there. I just love the texture. This is my favorite part of the album. It has some lines on it which reflects light and it gives a very satisfying look, a beautiful effect on it. It has the same thing on the front which looks very satisfying. Also the heart, it is engraved inside, a silver heart. I just love it. So this is how the album looks from the outside. We'll open it and look what's inside. So yeah, I didn't get the poster inside because it wasn't available, so I got the normal version. I love the color, pink and blue, it suits so well. So this is a CD included in the album, which has all the 7 songs included in this track list. So this is a CD. I guess all of the 4 albums have the same color of the CD, Persona written on it. We'll keep it for later on. So this is the main photo book included in the album. So this is the mini album, and so I've just got a CD and a photo book inside. So this is how the photo book looks. It looks so beautiful. It also has Map of the Soul written up there, Persona version 4 written down there, just like the album cover. These are the 7 songs included in this album. It's written Map of the Soul Persona and all the 7 songs. A beautiful BTS logo down there. I just love it. So let's dive in and watch what all is included inside. So yeah, these are some of the goodies included inside. We'll keep it for later on. I'll just show you all what is there in the photo book first. We'll just have a look at the photo books of pictures included in it, and then we'll go on to all of those things. So this is how it looks. I'll just open it and we'll see what's there inside. So the first few pages are actually given for notes, but of course I'm not going to write anything on it. It's just so beautiful. I can't scribble anything into it. I'm going to keep it plain and simple. So the first picture is an OT7 picture. I just love this one. I have this picture in my phone and it's one of my favorite OT7 pictures. I just love this one. So this is the first single picture. Who we have over here? Okay, it's Hobie. Look at him, he looks so good. So this is a single picture of him and 2 pictures of him over here. Okay, so I think most of the pictures are like this only. A single picture of the idol and then 2 pictures. So who's next? It's Jungkook. Look at the bag in his neck. It's so good. I just love the fashion sense. 2 pictures of Jungkook. This looks so good. The quality of the page is very good. I just love it. So next is Jimin. Have a look at his hairs. I'm loving it. I'm gonna say I love it every time because yeah, they look so good. Look at the way he has the grapes in his hand. I just love it. I'm gonna say this so many times. I can't stop myself from saying that. So who we have over here is Hobie, Jungkook and Jimin. Okay. This is a beautiful picture. So this is the same picture one more time on a single page. That's good. Who's next? Okay, so again we have a different picture of these three only, but it's so good. It's Taeyang. Most of the armies I am friends with, they are mostly V biased, and of course there's a reason for it. He looks so good. Look at his blue hairs. It really suits him. Nice. I love these pictures. Suga. Look at his hairs, purple hairs. Wow. Look at these pictures. I'm obsessing over these pictures. Jin, worldwide handsome. He is really handsome. Just have a look at his face. Isn't it handsome? It is. He is the eldest among all, and Jungkook is the marking of the group, the youngest member. This is Juni. I just love the way he looks. So yeah, I had to give him a heart because I am RM biased. I'm an OT7, but I have a soft stand for RM. I'm just so inspired by his personality, his leadership qualities. I just love it. The pictures are so good. Okay, so we have the rest four members: Juni, Jin, Tae, and Suga. They look so good together. One more picture of them together, and I guess there will be one more, just like before. I'm just loving this, unboxing the album. This is my first time doing it, and I'm loving it. Okay, so this is the first picture of the book, the OT7 picture. I just love it. As I said, I have this picture in my phone. I kept this. This was my first BTS wallpaper that I kept in my phone. So I just love this one. So these are the 7 name of the songs included in the album. I guess this is also for notes, but yeah, I'm not gonna write anything on it. It's way too precious to write on it. So yeah, this is the first song included in the album, which is Intro Persona. Some details down there, and this is the lyrics of the song. It's in 2 languages, which is Korean and English. The next song is Boy With Love featuring Halsey. This is one of my favorite BTS songs. I just love this one. I usually vibe to this song, to be honest. The third song included in the album is Microcosmos, which is also a very beautiful song. So these are the lyrics of the songs given. The fourth song is Make It Right. This is also a very beautiful song. You know, all of these songs are uh, my my personal favorite because I listen to them whenever I feel low. So the fifth song is Home. All of the songs included in this album are very beautiful. The sixth song is Jamai Woo. Jamai Woo is also a very beautiful song. I haven't heard this song for like many times. I've heard it for twice or thrice, but it's a very good song. The seventh song is Dionysus. To be honest, the last 2 songs I haven't heard them a lot, but they are good songs. So here we have thanks to RM, thanks to Jin. Okay, so maybe they are thanking all of the idols, the 7 idols, for their contribution for making the album. So yeah, thanks to Suga, thanks to Hobie, I guess. Thanks to Jimin, thanks to V. V has a small part in here. Why so? That's very good. Thanks to Jungkook. Okay, Jungkook has the biggest part. And some credits behind it, I guess. Okay, yeah, credits. So this is how the album looks from inside, which is very beautiful. I loved all of the pictures and the 7 songs. I'm gonna listen to the CD once I am done with the unboxing video. I just love all of the songs. So we'll get to these goodies and we'll see what's there in it. So this is Persona Map of the Soul. Participate in survey and earn points and my NXR emblem. Okay, so this is just normal card. I had to hide the QR code for certain reasons. This is the notebook. Okay, yeah, the notes. It's completely in Korean, so I don't know what's written inside it. If you people know what's written inside it, so please let me know. I have to translate it and then read it. I can read it, but I don't really understand the Korean words. I can read it. So it's completely in Korean, so I don't really understand what's written inside it. But it's beautiful. The color of this notebook is kind of dark as compared to the album cover. Finally, this is my favorite thing. I've got J Hope's postcard with his signature, the photocopy of his signature. This is so beautiful. This is my favorite part of the album. I will never give it to anybody. This is so beautiful. And the most important part, most of the people, when they saw my story that I got the album, they were asking me what photo card that you pulled out from the album. And here it is. It's Jungkook. I just loved it. I'm so happy that I got Jungkook. So this is a photo strip. It's an OT7 photo strip. It's so good. I'll show you how it looks. So these are the pictures. There are 4 pictures included in it. All of the OT7. It's so beautiful. I love it. Lastly, we have some card over here. I don't really understand what's written on it because it's completely in Korean. So yeah, these were the things that were included inside the album. I just love everything. It's so beautiful. This is my first BTS album, and yeah, there will be more coming on the way. So these are the things included in it. Now, the store that I ordered this album was from the Hallyu store. So this was a thank you postcard from the Hallyu store. I'll mention down the Instagram account of the store and also their website link. So these are the photo cards that I got from the store, the Fleabee photo cards. I just love it. Suga, Jin, Junie, and J-Hope. Stay and I just love it. I just love it. My collection of photo cards is increasing. I just love it. Stay indoors, stay safe. So these were the things included in my album, and I'll be mentioning down the website of the store and the Instagram account of the store so that you people can go and have a look at the products that you want to buy from there. It's very good.